In this video series, we will complete a Revit structural project in small, easy steps. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we have finished our superstructure. Now let's draw footings. Open top of footing plan. Here we will draw our footings. Now go to Structure ribbon and click on Isolated Foundation button. At the Properties panel, click on Edit Type. Now click on Duplicate and then make a footing named for feet by 5 feet. Now change the dimension parameters. Width is already for feet. Change length to 5 feet. Write F1 in type mark parameter. Footing has been defined. Now let's draw them. Zoom on the column. When blue center line appears, click to draw footing. Repeat the steps at all the columns to draw footings. All the footings have been placed. Now press Escape button to finish command. Let's see our footings in 3D view. All the structural elements have been modeled. In our next video, we will tag all the elements. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.